Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, there lived a little turtle named Timo. Timo was very slow, very, very slow. The rabbits jumped fast, the deer ran quickly, and the squirrels zipped here and there. Timo looked at them and sighed. "Why am I so slow?" he said softly. Just then, his friend, the golden bear, walked up to him. The golden bear smiled kindly and said, "It is okay, Timo. Just keep going. You are doing great." Timo felt a little better. The next day, all the animals gathered for a big race. Ready, set, go! Whoosh! The rabbit ran super fast. The deer dashed ahead. The squirrel zoomed away. And Timo, step, step, step. He kept walking slowly. High above, a little glowing star floated gently, watching Timo, and shining softly. After a while, the rabbit got tired. I will rest for a bit," he yawned, and fell asleep. The deer stopped to drink water. The squirrel got distracted and started playing, but Timo, step, step, step. He did not stop. The golden bear watched from afar, smiling proudly. "Keep going, Timo," he whispered. Step, step, step. Finally, Timo reached the tall tree. "I did it," he said with a big, happy smile. The other animals arrived later and looked very surprised. "You won't?" they said. Timo nodded. "I may be slow, but I never stop." The golden bear clapped happily, and the little stars sparkled brightly in the sky. That night, Timo went to sleep, feeling proud and happy. Slow and steady wins the race.
Golden bear is always near, your gentle friend.